What is going on today, guys? Welcome back to day 3. I'm going to be walking you through how we look at multiple ad campaigns, making the right decisions on your behalf, and just going through all the KPIs and metrics and situations and scenarios of what it looks like of our team and managing your paid traffic, what decisions we're making. Why is it based on methodology that's driven over 9 figures in revenue, and why this is, obviously important being planted inside of your business. So I wanted to go down to the whiteboard again to be able to show you what that's going to look like across different platforms, what decisions are being made, why decisions are being made, and what it looks like as far as branches and assets and creatives and what that whole optimization and scaling part is going to look like for you. So let's go to the whiteboard. So let's say we have Facebook and we have Instagram. Okay. Facebook obviously owns Instagram, or better known as Meta. Now, let's say we have a $50 a day budget. And that's what you're required to spend as being a part of this ecosystem minimum. Okay, we have clients who spend $5,000 a day, $10,000 a day, $1,000 a day, $500 a day. It's up to you and what makes sense for your niche, cost per lead, cost per purchase, and lead flow. Okay, so with this being said, we would have $25 here and $25 here, because we want to find what the clear winner is. Sometimes with Facebook and Instagram, different placements, we'll find different quality leads, different personas, different ideal buyers. Okay. So I would have campaign 1 here, and you can have an ABO or a CBO. Now, this is not a cookie cutter, click for click campaign structure. This is for me to go through a fictional scenario to give you context on what decisions are going to be made. Okay. So let's say we have an ABO or a CBO. We're going to start off with an ABO campaign. So I have campaign 1, and I got 5 ad sets per one. Okay. We could either do a $25 CBO here, or $5 here, $5 here, $5 here, $5 here, $5 here. Same thing follows here. Now would equal to $25 a day. From there, we're going to have multiple avenues. I'm going to go as far as I can here, but we have C2, C3, C1, C2, C3. Like, this will follow the route. And then from there, you have more branches. And then from here, we have ad copy 1, ad copy 2, and as follows. There's multiple variations going on here to make sure that we can find clear winners and cut losers. Same things happens here. To where, at the end of this, we're going to know what copy works the best for, there's going to be 5 audiences. We have audience 1, an audience 2, an audience 3, an audience 4, an audience 5. Maybe you have prior data to leverage with us. CSV files, email lists, okay, conversion API hooks up through Go High Level, whatever that looks like inside of your business. Same thing here at audience 1, audience 2, audience 3, audience 4, audience 5. All of these things are going on in the back end that we're managing daily, making sure that your KPIs are being hit. And from there, there's, ad copies. And I'm not going to draw all these, but you get the point of all the things that we have to manage and drive KPIs on. Okay. From there, we're finding the winning ad copies, the winning creatives with those ad copies, and then we're finding the winning audiences or interests. These 3 things are going to dictate to us which platform is the clear winner, because some people have better quality leads on Facebook. Some have better qualities on Instagram. So let's say Facebook's the winner. Yes. Okay. We spent a lot of money here to find that Instagram doesn't work. You have to understand that that is what I talked about before. The patience to see the results, the data to analyze and leverage, and the decisions to know that Instagram is not a good platform for your business. That Facebook is going to be the best platform. We're all happy, okay? So once we're able to make those choices, those behaviors will allow us to do what? Make more creatives based on their persona, make more ad copy based on the right messaging, come out with new offers, implement those things into your email and SMS. And, obviously, as you start getting higher quality leads and higher quality purchase and higher AOV and all these things that matter in a business that drive it forward, you can make more decisions, okay? And that's just one platform. One. And that doesn't even carve the surface of what happens. And then we go to Google. Google has a couple of different avenues. There's phrase match, there's exact match, and then there is broad match. There are multiple KPIs being tracked on these platforms, which are your CPCs, your CTRs, your CPLs, your engagement rates, your conversion rates, your cost per acquisitions. All of these KPIs can indirectly or directly be affected from the exact match and the broad match and your phrase match. Exact match campaigns might have very high cost per clicks, but they're going to have high CPLs, but your conversion rates might be very high. These three KPIs do not determine that is an expensive thing to have. It determines that this is predictable. And you might be sitting there going, well, Wojo, we're spending more money. Why is that predictable? I would rather pay if I have, and let's just do a quick breakdown here. Let's say I have a $1,000 service. Okay. In my business right now, I would be willing to spend $1,000 to get a customer. And that might shock some of you. Why? Just to give you guys context, we spend around $14,000 a day on Facebook. We don't make any money on our ad spend. Because of the scale we're at, we're focused on a couple things. CJ, LTV, and PL. Two of these numbers, you might not even know what they mean, but you should know what lifetime value is. What is CJ? Customer journey. And then this one we're going to add down here, which is referrals. Referrals allow us to cover our ad costs. We're one of the leading partners in the advertising space. We get a ton of referrals every single day, which allows us to cover our ad costs. PL is product ladder. I have enough products to suffice your needs to where you don't want to go anywhere else. From SEO to website design to ads to graphics to video editing to even having videographers fly to you and shoot your ads at an upcharge. Customer journey to know that if you start somewhere, which I'll break down right now, okay, customer journey, there's an FEO, front end offer. There is an ascension. There is another ascension. There is CT and then RF. And this is what you need to map out inside of your business that we'd love to help you with. Your front end offer is what you push on the front end on ads to collect cash. Ascension 1 is faster or better results of what they just purchased. Ascension 2 is the same thing. Faster, better results of what they bought here. Ascension 1. What is CT? Continuity. This could be you upgrading your package, you adding on extra services, okay? You going on an organic social media management plan. Now you're so deep in the customer journey, what are you going to wind up giving us? Referrals. And what are those referrals going to do? They're going to start from the very beginning and buy onward. And that is where you increase lifetime value. You have a good product ladder that's predictable, that solves your clients' problems or challenges that are actually a good challenge to solve. And you can consistently keep new customers come to the door that actually get the right fulfillment and services or the right product. You might have a product line. One of my good friends, Josh Snow, he runs Snow Teeth Whitening. Their product line is insane. They have over 50 products now. They started with 3. Now they have over 50. And he's doing over $140 million a year. And I did consulting with them and I helped them with other things. But this is a customer journey that Josh had to map out to build Snow. And I'm learning a lot of this from higher level business owners than myself that are doing 9 figures or more a year that I pay to be in those rooms to translate that data over to you. And that's what being a part of Wojo Media is going to get you: access and the right support to keep pushing your business forward. So understand that ads are not only about clicking a button in Ads Manager. There's a lot more to the game that you need to bolt onto our team and get that support and be open-minded to, because we will help you transform your business if you're willing to do the things that we tell you. So with that being said, thanks again for showing up today's video, and I will see you in tomorrow's. Peace.